Hi YouTubers, JDCap26 here, just doing tips and repairs, and we're doing Mars Attacks, Attacking Martians. This is another model kit by Screamin, and for all you repair people out there, please check out my channel for repairs, and also for cooking. There's a cooking channel, Cooking by Peter. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. So we got the top off here, and let's look in here and look for the parts. There's all the parts. There's the dome, body. There's the rest of the parts. Ray gun. And some others. Nomenclature is literature. There's that. Show you that. And some other neat stuff in here. Different other models you can get from Screamin. I'm going to definitely save I'd always save the literature to these. So, I just want to show you, this is the rarity Doctor Who model with the Doctor Who figure and model and the robot. Very hard find to kit. Yeah, I can talk right. Very hard finding kit. So let's open up this bag here. So we got parts. I got a hand and a ray gun. Some legs, it looks like. You want to sort your parts out best you can. I don't know if I can put this together, guys. What's this? Oh, that's the nameplate. Put that over there. Looks like another leg. There's some wire here. And 2 feet. Another one of these. And another one of these. And another hand. There's a hand. And these look like to the tank. To this thing right here. So this is the bigger version, I think, Mars Attacks from the Mobius. And then this came out first, and then the Mobius one followed after Screamin went out of business. There's another piece, I'm not sure what that goes to. And a small little piece, which we'll put over here. Okay. Oh, that's empty. Well, it looks like you get a second kit with a ray gun and another set of hands in this bag. So we're just gonna put those off to the side for now. Here's the body. Open this up in the head. I don't know. Gee, guys, I don't know if we can put this together. I don't know. We'll see. What you have to do is you have to warm this with the blow dryer, and they say you have to cut it out and then snap these 2 pieces together like that. So I'm going to do that off camera. I am going to use the blow dryer and a razor knife. Wish me luck. You know what, guys? It says in the instructions, and I did refer to the instructions, that it says to heat it and cut it away to put these together, but I think I'm going to just have to glue them. Basically like that, and have them stand straight up as best I can, because I think these pieces down here, I'd have to drill these out to get this to interlock, and I don't think that's the way it goes. So we're gonna just glue them. Well, I tried CA glue, and the parts just don't fit in there correctly, so I'm gonna use some green stuff to put this together. I'm going to have to use probably all green stuff to put this model together. And we're mixing the green stuff now. So as you see, we have it all put together with the green stuff, the legs, arms, and hands, feet. And we've got it supported with 2 tubes here. So we have them stand up relatively straight when it dries. So I'll show you it when it's all completed. Not painted, of course. So we're putting the backpack on, and we got some green stuff here. I'm gonna distribute from to the bottom right here. I'm gonna put it there, and at the top here, hopefully you can get this stick and put it on here like so. And I just broke a piece in the front. Nice. Well, that happens. So we repaired the piece right here that broke. It snapped. And, well, that happens. So we have to watch that when we put the rest of the stuff on. You cut the base of this, set a 1/4 inch. And it's more than half, and sand it. We've been sanding it after we cut it, just to smooth it up. We have him mostly together. And there he is. Martian, and we're going to use the box for the backdrop, and I hope you like my videos. Please subscribe and rate and notifications and share, and thanks, and have a great day.